To build a toolkit that supports people in scaling up behavior change, we first need to clarify what we mean by scale up. We've found that people working in the behavior science area use the term scale up to mean increasing the reach of interventions, adapting the intervention to a new behavior, or adapting the intervention to a new audience. As one example, you can see that a pilot or trial project sought to change people's vaccination behavior using an SMS reminder intervention. This was tested in 4 local council areas with a trial sample of 3,000. One form of scale up then is increasing the reach of that intervention to all 770,000 18 to 35-year-old Victorians to change their vaccination behavior. Scale up is also used outside behavior science to mean increasing the reach or impact of new innovations. The World Health Organization describes a comprehensive framework for scale up that emphasizes the importance of planning. The Mars Innovation Lab distinguishes between scaling up, which is about impacting law and policy, scaling out, impacting greater numbers, and scaling deep, impacting culture. In the book Innovation and Scaling for Impact, Seelos and Mayer describe scale up as realizing the impact from an investment in innovation. And finally, beyond the specific term of scale up and implementation science share the goal of increasing the impact of innovations on practice. Implementation science, founded in clinical medicine but now applied more broadly to social systems, is the study of methods and strategies to promote the uptake of evidence-informed practices into business as usual. For the purposes of the Behavior Change Scale-Up Toolkit and this project, we wanted a minimum definition of scale-up for behavior change. That's why we define scale-up here as deliberate efforts to increase the impact of innovations successfully tested in pilot or experimental projects to benefit more people.